So today I'm unboxing this new Baseus wireless power bank for iPhone. This is basically a MagSafe magnetic power bank, but also can charge using cables. If you follow the channel, you know that I've covered a couple of power banks from Baseus. Here is the excellent mini 10,000 milliampere power bank. Check out the video for that as well, included in the description and the comments. Yeah, let's unbox this one today, and we're gonna test it with my iPhone 12 to see if it can actually deliver that MagSafe accessory experience. So now I brought the iPhone 12 so we can test if this can actually wirelessly charging using MagSafe or not. So we need to turn this on and then we connect it. So actually the iPhone is detecting this as a MagSafe accessory. That's great.